Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best etching needle is probably one of the most essential tools for any artist or enthusiast delving into the captivating world of printmaking. With its sharp, precise tip, this unassuming instrument unlocks a realm of creative possibilities, allowing you to etch intricate designs onto various surfaces. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, the etching needle empowers you to translate your artistic vision into tangible, stunning works of art. Number 5. AVIDE Carbide Tip Scriber 6-pack. This metal etching pen is perfect for creating precise lines. It works effortlessly on materials like hardened steel and stainless steel. The Scriber features a durable tungsten carbide tip. The aluminum body ensures it can handle tough materials. Each engraving pen includes a chuck to reverse the carbide point. This helps prevent accidental injuries when not in use. The handheld, pen-style design includes a pocket clip for easy carrying. The knurled handle provides a non-slip grip while you work. This carbide scribe pen is ideal for various materials. You can use it on ceramics, glass, metal sheets, and even for gold and welding projects. The etching engraver pen has passed CE, SGS, ROSE, and PAWS certifications. You can trust its quality and safety. What we like. This etching pen features a durable tungsten carbide tip, ensuring longevity and precision. The design also makes it easy to store, preventing accidents. If you're looking for a reliable and safe tool for various materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The weight is really great. I love the heft in my hand of the solid aluminum and the semi-chrome finish. The tungsten carbide, slightly skeptical, point is really sharp and confidently marks anything. I use these for marking cuts on steel. Unlike the soapstone markers many folks use, the points are sharp enough to get right up against a ruler and leave a clean line. Number 4. RGM Etching Tool RG001. This dual-ended etching tool is designed for both beginners and professionals. It features a scraper and a curved burnisher, making it versatile for various etching tasks. The tool's design allows for different etching techniques. This tool is perfect for detailed work. It's constructed from tempered, polished carbon steel. This ensures durability and a long lifespan for the tool. The polished finish makes it easy to clean after each use. This helps maintain the tool's performance and appearance. The tool is built to last, providing reliable performance. You can count on it for all your etching needs. What we like. This tool is designed with both beginners and professionals in mind, featuring a dual-ended design with a scraper and burnisher. The polished finish makes cleaning a breeze. If you are looking for a versatile tool for etching, this is perfect for you. What people say. I have only used the scraper for plexiglass for my printmaking needs. And it works perfect and still going strong. I use this for 3D printing. The point end is excellent for breaking off supports, especially in tight spots you can't get your fingers, and the sharp end works very well for cleaning up the edges of a print after removing brims. The edges of the scraper are good and sharp, and the burnisher is as polished as you'd expect. Number 3. SFC Tools 52-536 Steel Double-Ended Twist Scribe. This double-ended scribe is perfect for making precise marks or lines. It works great on metal and other hard materials. The twisted body of this scribe provides a better grip. This design ensures that it is easy to hold and control while you work. The body tapers to the tip, allowing easier access. This feature makes it ideal for reaching crevices and other hard-to-reach areas. It's useful for a variety of tasks. You can use it for marking designs, measurements, pilot holes, layout, and lettering. The overall length of this tool is 6.5 inches. This makes it a compact and easy-to-handle tool for various projects. What we like. The twisted body provides a better grip, and the tapered design allows for easier access to tight spaces. This tool is perfect for precise marking on metal and other hard materials. If you need a tool for detailed work, this is the one for you. What people say. The needle is very sharp and allows for fine detail. The handle is comfortable to hold and provides good control. It works well for various etching techniques. Number 2. Richeson 689095 Etching Tool. This is the Richeson 689095 etching tool. It's a versatile tool designed for various artistic applications. It's perfect for your next project. The tool is 7 inches in length, making it easy to handle. This size provides a comfortable grip and allows for detailed work. It is tapered on both ends, offering precision and control. This design allows for a variety of techniques and applications. Made of solid steel, it's built to last. You can sharpen it with a sharpening stone, ensuring it remains a reliable tool for years to come. The design makes it easy to hold on to. This feature enhances comfort and control during use, allowing for more precise work. It's perfect for modeling, mold making, printmaking, sgraffito, and etching. This tool is a great addition to any artist's collection. What we like. This etching tool is made of solid steel and can be sharpened, ensuring long-lasting use. The tapered design on both ends makes it versatile. If you like a tool that is easy to hold and perfect for various art projects, consider this one. What people say. Works great for shallow and thin lines. Works as intended. Used it for my etching project and it was great. Number 1. Ramelson Etching Tools Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need for metal etching. It features various scribers and tools, perfect for artists and makers alike. The set includes a twisted scriber, a steel scriber burnisher, and more. Each tool is designed for engraving, scribing, and marking on different surfaces. These tools are built with sharp points and durable handles. They give you total control during tracing and engraving, ensuring precise results. Whether you're working on hard metals, ceramics, or glass, this kit has you covered. It ensures fine, accurate lines on a variety of materials. This etching kit is an essential part of any artist's printmaking supplies. It provides professional-grade tools ideal for etching, engraving, and surface preparation work. What we like. This kit includes a variety of tools, making it ideal for intaglio and dry point etching. It's designed for various surfaces, ensuring fine and accurate lines. If you are an artist looking for a complete set of printmaking supplies, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Solid construction. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.